Hello everybody, welcome back to American Seconds. Today we will review this, the Beastgrip Pro, something that promises to be a game changer in the phone videography. First, what's in the box? The Beast itself, accessory box, an Allen key for the screws, some spare screws, filter wrench, 7mm and 12mm rubber mount inserts, an additional cold shoe mount. The Beastgrip Pro is a modular, highly customizable camera rig and lens adapter for a smartphone. The grip is made out of metal and hard plastic. It feels comfortable and strong. It has 5 1/4-20 mounts, 2 on top and 3 on the bottom, which are very useful for mounting mics, lights, tripod, etc. It has 2 thumb screws on the front side, which allows the grip to expand in order to accommodate any phone size. On the left side, it has 2 more thumb screws which allow you to move and adjust the 37mm lens mount. On the back side, there's a clamp which, of course, holds the phone securely in place. I like the rubber feet which prevents damaging the phone. Using the screws, you can relocate these arms to better accommodate the size of the phone that you want to use. You can also detach one part of it and use it with some other third-party lens. On the top of the grip, you'll find a coat shoe mount which allows you to mount lights, mics, etc. Let's go ahead and mount an iPhone here. It's really easy. Once it's mounted, you see that the grip design allows you to access all the phone's buttons and all the controls on the screen without feeling that you might drop your phone. Then we slide it and position the lens adapter right into place. Or you can just move it out of the way and use the phone lenses. Is it worth the buck? Well, the Beastgrip is well made and very versatile, as there are endless ways to configure it. It can be used as a simple tripod adapter, but at the same time, it allows you to attach to it rigs and tripods and all sorts of accessories. The price of the Beastgrip Pro on the Beastgrip website is $139.99, while Amazon sells it for $125. If you are a casual video shooter, I would say that it makes no sense to spend that much since you have a ton of much cheaper options out there. But if you're serious about your smartphone videography and photography, then definitely go for it. So these are my quick thoughts. If you have any questions, let me know and I will happily answer. I hope you found this review useful in making up your mind about the Beastgrip Pro, and I'll see you next time here at American Seconds.